Hello everyone. If you're looking to turn your passion into profit or simply want to grow in the digital world, then you are at the right place. Today we've got an exciting topic for you: how to start your own business online. We will guide you through the essential steps to successfully launch your business online. So let's get started. Point number 1. Market research. Do proper market research, the heartbeat of all the strategy. Extract data and analyze it. The very first step to starting an online business is doing your homework. It requires thorough market research. Gathering data about your target audience, their needs, preferences, and purchasing behavior through surveys, interviews, or online tools is very important to know the likes and preferences of your industry. Research about your competitors. Analyzing competitors' products, pricing, their marketing strategies, quality of their product, and customer reviews. That will help you position your business effectively. Define your USP. Defining your unique selling proposition is essential for any business or marketing strategy, as it sets your product, service, or brand apart from competitors and communicates the unique benefits or value that you offer to your target audience. A well-defined USP can effectively attract and retain customers in a competitive market. Tools used in research. Tools like Google Trends, Facebook Audience Insights, and keyword research can be incredibly useful. Use services like survey platforms, social media analytics, and do a lot of competitive analysis to reach your goals. Point number 2. Business planning. Have a business plan right away. Because every successful venture needs a solid business plan. Business goals. First, we stress how important it is to establish specific company objectives. How you're going to grow your clients, boosting online sales, or enhancing your brand recognition. Setting the right business goals or objectives is a fundamental step in building and growing a successful enterprise, as they provide you direction, give you motivation, and a clear framework for decision-making. Set your business strategy. To succeed in the long run, your business needs a good plan. This plan should know who the customers are, have a clear strategy, and state what the company wants to achieve and believes in. It's important to keep checking and changing the plan to match what customers want and how the market changes. This way, the business can grow and stay strong for a long time. Get your budget. The next crucial step is to create a suitable budget that defines your company's finances effectively. It involves setting clear financial goals, identifying your revenue sources, estimating income, and breaking down expenses. Allocate funds and manage debt, and seek professional advice if the budget gets challenging. A well-defined budget helps meet your financial challenges and increase the chances of long-term success. By holding to the budget and staying disciplined, businesses can navigate financial challenges more effectively and achieve long-term success. Set a time span. Last but not the least, giving yourself a time span for each objective is essential for tracking your progress and changing your plans as necessary to promote productivity and efficiency in your business. Point number 3. Building online presence. Let the whole world know about your business. Build a website. Getting a website is the foremost important step because it serves as a digital shop for your goods and services, showcasing them to a world audience. And make sure it's attractive, SEO optimized, and mobile friendly. Invest in high-quality visuals and user-friendly navigation as well. Create social media handles. Create interesting social media handles on sites like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to engage with potential clients, provide insightful material, and develop a devoted following. Building a strong social media presence is crucial for companies trying to engage with their target market and increase brand recognition. Create a local shop listing. Additionally, register your local business on directories like Google My Business so that local clients may easily find you there. Register domain. Don't forget to register a domain that represents your brand. With the help of these stages, you can reach, engage, and convert customers in the digital environment, laying the groundwork for your online journey. Point number 4. E-commerce. The power of e-commerce lies in its ability to unite diverse cultures and economies under the banner of global trade. Create an online setup store. Use an e-commerce platform for your website, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Create a website that is both user-friendly and visually attractive. Make sure that your prices, descriptions, and goods are arranged such that they are simple to find. To To appeal to a wider audience, optimize for mobile devices. Launch an online store, then keep an eye on and enhance it over time. Secure payment methods. Secure payment methods are crucial for e-commerce businesses to protect customers and the business from fraud and security breaches. To implement secure payment methods, consider using reputable payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, or use digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and others. Use ACH payments as they are highly regulated and secure, along with SSL certificates. Ensure data confidentiality and integrity. The two-factor authentication, 2FA, is required for all employees accessing payment processing systems and customer data. Having regular software updates are essential to patch vulnerabilities and security flaws. Implement fraud detection tools and systems to identify and prevent fraudulent transactions. Educate customers about safe online shopping practices. Communicate privacy policies and data handling. Conduct regular security audits and comply with data protection and payment processing regulations, and obtain third-party security certifications. By implementing these best practices, e-commerce businesses can create a safer and more trustworthy environment for both customers and the business. Point number 5. Marketing. It's not what you sell that matters as much as how you sell it. Find the right people who can work for you. Get the right people who align with your brand and contribute to your growth. Invest in the marketing of your business and see how it grows. Make a brand of your company. Use digital marketing, social media, content marketing to reach your target audience. By investing in effective marketing, you'll not only reach your target audience but also establish a brand that connects with customers and stand out in the marketplace. This combination of a talented team and a strong brand identity will grow your business to new heights. Marketing strategy according to your needs. Keep in mind that a dynamic marketing plan is one that changes with time. You can develop a marketing plan that produces results and promotes the growth of your company by adapting your approach to your particular needs, closely tracking performance, and remaining flexible. Remember that a successful marketing strategy is a dynamic one that evolves over time. By tailoring your approach to your unique needs, continuously monitoring performance, and staying adaptable, you can create a marketing strategy that drives results and helps your business thrive. Get search engine ranking. In order to increase website visibility, draw in relevant visitors, build trust, and stay competitive in the online market. SEO is an essential tool. It is the process of making your website rank higher on Google. Use it properly. Invest in paid ads. Paid advertising is a good strategy for online businesses to increase their visibility, reach a targeted audience, and boost conversions. It offers targeted reach, immediate results, scalability, and a variety of platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads, and Twitter Ads. Ad types can be chosen based on specific marketing objectives. Paid advertising platforms provide robust analytics tools to track your performance. Testing such as A/B testing can refine campaigns and improve ROI. Point number 6. Analytics and taboo measurement. Without data, you're just another person with an opinion. Analyze using Google Analytics, choice and preferences. Use analytics tools to monitor website traffic, sales, and customer behavior. Adjust your strategies based on data insights to improve your business's performance. Track conversion rate revenue. To track conversion rates, use tools like Google Analytics or e-commerce platforms. Set specific goals and assign monetary value to each. Monitor funnel metrics like click-through rate and conversion rate. Segment your audience to optimize advertising spend. Continuously experiment with elements on your website or campaigns to improve conversion rates. Set up regular reporting to monitor conversion rate and revenue. Social media insights. Social media analytics tools provide valuable insights into your social media efforts. Monitor key metrics like engagement, reach, impressions, and demographic data. Analyze content performance, posting schedule, and ad campaign performance to optimize your strategy. Analyze competitors' activities, audience insights, and sentiment analysis for content and targeting. Adjust your strategy based on these insights, focusing on content that resonates, investing in successful ad campaigns, and refining your posting schedule. Regularly create reports to track progress and make data-driven decisions for your marketing efforts. Point number 7. Scaling and growth. Success isn't measured by where you start. It's defined by how far you're willing to go. Scale your business and you'll redefine. Your task will get simpler as a result. As your online business succeeds, plan for scalability. Explore opportunities to expand your product or service offerings, reach new markets, or diversify income streams. Expand product offerings. Target new customers. To attract new customers, you need a thorough research of the new audiences as well as a customer-centric mindset. Segment your customers into different categories, for example, those who love online shopping from those who prefer to shop at offline. Categorize based on their gender and age, such as kids, youth, adults, elderly. People of different ages typically exhibit various purchasing behaviors. This approach simplifies targeting goals and ensures a successful business operation throughout. Build customer loyalty. The best advertising is done by satisfied customer. To build customer loyalty, businesses should provide excellent customer service with personalized communication by maintaining consistent branding. Always ensure quality products or services to your audience. Gather customer feedback. Engage on social media. Share exclusive content. Send personalized thank you notes. Be very transparent about your business practices. Surprise and delight customers with unexpected rewards or personalized messages. These strategies help build trust and create positive emotional connections with customers. Starting an online business is an exciting journey that requires commitment, perseverance, and a passion for knowledge. You can achieve your goals with unshakable commitment, but success doesn't happen quickly. Feel free to ask questions or share your experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.